Do you remember the old days when you would organize training materials, class lessons, or client documents in a 3-ring binder? Do you remember how professional and organized that felt? How do you package and share information today? Drop it in an email? Throw it in a box? Drive people crazy with files in multiple locations? How does that make you look? There's a better way, a Live Binder, where all your information and content is organized and easy to share with tabs and sub-tabs. Forget something at the last minute? No problem. Just add it in. Binders can easily be shared as a link. Content can be added quickly with a single click from anywhere on the internet. Just Live Binder it. Have multiple files you need to add? Simply add them all at once. Live Binders is a great way to look professional and show your audience that you care enough to neatly package and organize the information you're sharing. More at livebinders.com.